In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Stripe checkout page. Whether you're a budding entrepreneur or a seasoned business owner, having a reliable way for your customers to make payments is crucial. With Stripe, not only can you set up this payment mechanism easily, but you can also customize it to suit your unique business needs. So let's dive right in. To begin this process, you'll want to log into your Stripe account and take a look around at your dashboard. Once there, identify and click on the product catalog. Now, this is essentially your one-stop shop for managing your products within Stripe, and it's where you'll initiate the setup for your new checkout page. Next, on this catalog page, you'll notice a plus sign, which typically indicates the option to add something new. Go ahead and click on that. From the drop-down options, you will want to select Payment Link. This link will be the crucial tool that allows you to direct customers to your checkout page with ease. The next step involves selecting the product you want to create this checkout page for. This is where you have the flexibility to manage what you're offering. If necessary, you can also enter additional details. These might include specific pricing options, descriptions of the product, or any other special conditions you want to include. These details help clarify the customer's purchase process and ensure that everything they need to know is right there in front of them. Once you're satisfied with the details you've added, it's time to wrap things up by clicking on Create Link. This action is what finalizes your checkout page. It's as simple as that. Your link is now ready to be shared with your customers, either directly or embedded into your website or emails. As a bonus tip, take a moment to test this link yourself. Open it in a separate browser or share it with a trusted confidant to ensure that everything is operating smoothly. It's always better to identify any potential issues beforehand rather than after you've directed your customers to use it. There you have it. In just a few straightforward steps, you have successfully created a Stripe checkout page that can streamline payments for your business. In the fast-paced world of online commerce, efficiency and ease of use are keys, and Stripe provides an excellent platform to bolster your business's capabilities. If you have any questions or encounter any hiccups along the way, don't hesitate to dive deeper into Stripe's robust support resources, which offer step-by-step assistance for a wide range of features. Thank you for tuning in, and happy selling!